The big thing is this is the first time we've flown this particular vehicle configuration. What makes it unique is the big engine on the back for us. This is a 4,500 pound motor. We've been testing it up at the far site and it managed to make it work a few times successfully. So we're putting on the back of this airframe. There's a number of payloads on here. We've got a data acquisition system that Matt Baker's put together. Is Matt over here? There he is. Matt is doing that. We have a wireless sensor network that the NASA Ames guys have done. Jim O'Keefe. And I'm pointing them out because if you have questions, go to these folks. Although, try to leave Matt alone because he's got to launch a rocket, so he's going to be a busy guy today. And then we got a payload from Epsori. Where's Jared?
Right here.
He's interested in doing commercial payloads. And then we have Stanford has some payloads on now, right? Where's Bob? So we got them both on now? Cool. Okay, Professor Besnard, can you give a summary of what we're going to see?
Yeah, in terms of what we expect to see, we've detuned the rocket a little bit, so it's not going to run. It shouldn't run at 4,500 pounds, but about 3,500 pounds. We've only half loaded it, so we have a better chance of recovering. It's supposed to take off about 7 Gs, so that's going to go up the rail real quick. And when it takes off, it's going to burn out, and it should be right around sonic conditions, right when it burns out, around 6 seconds. So about 4 seconds, it should be around sonic conditions. It's going to stay there for a couple more seconds. And then it's going to coast to about 30 seconds, 28, 30 seconds, to about 13,000 feet. At what point, it should start coming down a little. And then a small drogue is going to come out. And then the rocket should be flying down about 150 feet per second down. And then around 700 feet altitude, the main chute should be coming out. That's a big orange chute that should be coming out. And that's close to a little before 2 minutes into flight. So total flight is just a little over 2 minutes. Burnout is around 6 seconds. Apogee around 28, 30 seconds roughly. And then it's all hopefully parachute working afterwards.
Okay, I'm Jerry Hilburn. I'm here today with Epsori Space Systems, and we're flying a mission today. We're going to be putting a payload up. We have about 2.5 pounds of payload. We're flying an altimeter experiment today. We're flying an experiment that will contain seeds. We're flying 2 bottles of Daphnia magnia, which are the crustaceans, freshwater crustaceans that we've talked about in previous experiments. Today they'll actually fly to about 13,000 feet under 7 Gs of load. We're also flying a temperature experiment to record temperature once a second. We're going to be launching in about 45 minutes. We just had our safety briefing and we're hoping for a successful flight. So here we go. We're back at the Launch Control Center, and most of the non-essential people have cleared away, and we're preparing for the launch. We're about 20 minutes away. They're currently fueling ethanol and liquid oxygen, and they're down to about 10 people out there. Pretty soon, the rest of them will be coming back, and they'll be down to 2 personnel who will finish off all of the preparations for launch. Then they'll return, and we'll go ahead and get off the ground. Okay, let's fly.
Terminal count starting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.